In this fact that our alma mater has already produced a various highly qualified professionals, especially programmers. We also have lawyers, architects, accountants, teachers, engineers, and many others. This group of professionals, the programmers, the lead, can agree to share each other's knowledge and come up with an idea of designing and developing a complete business software package. Example, ES-Unified Accounting Software, ES-Unified Payroll System, College Enrollment System, Material Management System, Sales and Distribution System, Construction Toolkit. So, kaya-kaya na mga programmers natin yan gawin. Our design and developed business software package will be rolled over first to our own corporation to test its efficiency and accuracy. Once tested, we can have it patented and licensed, and then we can roll over to external customers. Here, our programmers and other internet alumni can expect a secure and long-term job. Management and consultancy firm. This will be co-lead by CPAs, lawyers, programmers, engineers, and architects, who will also consult with other group of professionals. Business practice outsourcing. We know that we have already a lot of existing competitors for this business, but this industry is really highly promising in the Philippines. Thus, this will be wanted to be conducted with a thorough and detailed feasibility study. If we see it feasible, we will engage in this business. Contractors team, which will be included by architects and engineers, who from time to time will also consult with CPAs, lawyers, and other group of professionals. Pharmaceutical, dental, and medical services, this will be included by online doctors, pharmacists, and nurses. Foods and catering services, this will be led by our HR graduates. And then transport, logistics, and travel agency. The aim of engaging to this business is to create job opportunities, especially through SNSI alumni drivers. SNSI colleges, the school that will operate will be managed and owned by SNS family. Entrance will be open to all college students who will pass the requirements and examination administered by SNSI. The college will design and establish criteria for scholarship and to grant the study now paid teacher program, especially for SNS high school graduates. Real estate Inc. Last but not least,
sino ang may elect? Nandito lang po ako. Hanggang nandito pa ako sa Saudi. Kasi ang ano ko po, hanggang November na lang.
Oh.
Saka pwede rin mag-decline ayaw nyo.
Kasi pangit naman na may elect nyo ako tapos after November mawawala. Di ba? Mas maigi na po yung ano.
Saka nga pala, we want the best ha. Hindi lang yung, kasi tandaan nyo po, ang Saudis, nag-uumpisa pa lang. Kaya we want the best para mag-invest din yung ating
kung sino po, kung sa tingin niyo po sino talaga ang fit sa position niya, yun ang nominate niyo. Yun din ang iboto niyo.
Hindi ko alam niyo naman natin laki ng Saudi Arabia.
Kaya po talaga
mga magagaling na kwan. Ako ayoko, personally ayoko kasi maghihirap eh. But then, it's up to you kung saan gusto niyo nominate. And pwede kayong mag-decline.
Tayo umayaw, mahirap.
Oo, mahirap din naman. Hindi pwede tayo, kung halimbawa sa nomination po, hindi tayo pwedeng mag-decline. Kasi pag nangyari yon, baka mamaya lahat na lang mayaw. So, ang gagawin na lang natin, sa voting na lang. Kasi kung na-nominate kayo, ibig sabihin, entrusted kayo. Pinipili talaga kayo. Nasa boboto na lang kung gusto talaga. Okay ba? Open na natin ang floor?
No, sandali. Iron, excuse me. Yung bong JED online na.
Online na.
Online na sila.
Pwede niyang tawagan sila by call kung para medyo para malinaw yung
Ito nga, nag-aantay nga.
Kasi mo ba?
Ready boy.
Ito po.
Ay, salamat.
Ellie.
Yan. Nakakagawa ng face. Wala na libre yan.
Okay na po?
Si Kuya Donato po.
Si Kuya Donato.
Ayan sila Mark sila po.
Nandiyan na.
Emergency nga.
So, yung mga bata eh.
Yun yung si Mark,
May emergency yung dalawang taga Cebu.
Sige po, simulan na po natin. Okay.
pasok kayo sa conference, naka-on yung volume yung mic niya. Hindi pwede sila magsalita kasi laptop gamit nila eh.
Pwede mo yung speaker yan, kuya, okay lang, phone na lang. Pwede naman yan. Yung phone na lang, walang problema. Kuya, by phone na lang po.
Okay, phone na lang po.
Speaker nyo na lang yung phone.
I-speaker, dito ka na lang kayo. Ikaw na magsabi sa amin.
Tawagan ko ba?
Hindi ka isa na.
Speaker mo lang, kuya.